Hi, I'm Praveen from Jungle Tech Pro, and today I'll be unboxing this cutting mat A3 size. I bought this through from Amazon for only 350 rupees, and this is a Morn brand A3 size, so the size is 18 by 12 inch approximately, and it is made in Taiwan. By the way, if you are planning to buy, then the link is in my description down below. Please use my link that will support this channel. Okay, let's talk about the product. It is made of a durable PVC that gives maximum protection from cutting blade. The marks and the pattern and grit helps in easier measurement for cutting, and can also be used when drawing. And it is a self-healing cutting mat. It means that after several cuts it automatically heals with no visual mark. And the reason why I was buying this cutting mat is for only background purpose when shooting my YouTube video, and you guys will see this cutting mat as my background most of the time from this day. So I'm not gonna use for cutting purpose, and I think this is the best for background because it is a sign proof, and it could be a better option if you want to shoot video with a nice background for any DIY YouTube video or anything. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.